If at all you are having this thought, then it's a very big mistake. You are doing a big mistake. Like exactly, let me put up what is your thought process now. I have studied in the past few months. I am preparing myself for the upcoming exams. I am just a few days away from exams, whereas I've studied so much, I put so much hard work, and when I today try to recollect, blank, nothing. I'm unable to recollect whatever I read. This is a very big blunder. Many students are doing this big blunder. Suppose, let me give you a clear example. If you ask me a question, you all know that I'm an audit faculty. I have dealt with so many batches. I have dealt with so many. I'm in the industry from past 3-4 years. Yes or no? Of course, I was there earlier also. But in the open market on the YouTube, I'm there only from the past 2.5 years. If you ask me, sir, do you remember entire audit subject? Can you reproduce right now entire audit subject, whatever you read? It may be CA, inter or final. If you ask me this question, my answer is no, I cannot. I cannot. Sir, how come you're a faculty? How come you say no, that you didn't remember entire subject? You ask me any question, I'll answer. Any question you ask me, I'll answer. But if you ask me to reproduce entire as it is content, I cannot. In examination, what is required, what skill set is required is, you need not reproduce that entire 1000 pages for that subject in the exam. That is not being tested in exam. They test a particular concept, a particular part, a particular para, or a particular section, or a particular provision they test. You know how your brain functions. Suppose just in your day-to-day life, you just take, you just question like this. If I ask you, suppose you are staying in a room or hostel or somewhere, right? Tell me what are all the items were there in your hostel, or you are staying in a particular room, right? Tell me what are all the things were there in your room. Tell me. You are there, you are staying every day. No, you cannot. But if I ask you, tell me where in your room the water bottle is, where you placed your water bottle. Exactly, it flashes in your mind. Does it mean you didn't remember anything about your room, or you remember everything about your room? No. Your brain functions in a, like what? I'm not so expert in all this terminology, psychology, all that, but that's why I'm putting up it in general words. Your brain functions, your brain has the ability to retrieve things. Your brain works in a way that it can retrieve the things. If you think about, suppose right now I'm staying in my office, in this room, in my cabin I'm staying. What are all there in my cabin if I have to list out to you? I may miss so many things. But if you ask me a question, sir, in your cabin, on your table, in your particular, box, whatever, do you have a scissor? If you ask me, yeah, I will say yes or no. Because retrieving the information is easy. Retrieving whatever the part of information which is asked is easy for the brain. But if you ask the same, your mind, if you ask your mind this question, please tell me entirely whatever you know, entirely whatever you read. Now the subject is audit, now the subject is FR, now the subject is accounts. Tell me whatever you read in the past 3 months, retrieve it right now. It cannot. This is a very abstract question. It cannot retrieve like that. Your brain don't function like that. If you question on a particular thing, on a particular section, on a particular provision, on a particular concept, if your brain is able to retrieve it, then you did well. Many of the students at this moment, somebody messaged me like in the afternoon. What that student messaged me is, sir, I have studied in the past 3 months and I'm unable to recollect anything. I don't know whatever, sir, I have studied 3.5 months, sir, daily 11 hours I studied. Entire group, only single group I focused. Only one group I am focusing. Now if I question back, if I think about whatever I have studied, I am unable to recollect what I studied. This is not a right attitude. This is not a right attitude. Don't lose confidence. You are really confident. You are already confident. By putting up these questions, by testing your information skills, by testing your memory skills, you are losing confidence. What you should question, if suddenly, a friend, your friend suddenly, he's just going through some provision. You saw that provision accidentally. Just recollect whether you remember that provision. you'll be able to reproduce. Believe me. If at all you read that provision earlier, you'll be able to reproduce. If at all you read that concept earlier, you'll be able to reproduce. Do you remember the entire subject, the entire group? Definitely the answer will come as no. That's not right question. If at all a question paper comes, if at all a question has been asked in that particular paper, how far you are able to answer it? If you have that kind of skill set, that is enough for exams. For exams, what is important is retrieving skills. Remembering skill is not required. Your memory is just a hard disk. In a computer also, it is just a hard disk or whatever. As soon as you open the computer will not throw entire hard disk information onto the screen, right? Only whatever piece of information you want, you open it. Only then it will show you that information, correct? Your brain also functions in that way. Maybe I can call it as your brain works on a hierarchical database management system. Maybe your brain works on a hierarchical database management system. Your brain retains everything in a structured way. Whenever a question comes, it knows how to retrieve. And if at all you're questioning and confusing your brain by saying that you didn't remember, what you're doing is you're damaging yourself. You're damaging your learning. You're damaging the hard work you put up. Don't question like that. It's a very big blunder. In examination, it will come. For me, a student, tomorrow some student will come and ask some question. If I don't remember the content, what should I do? So, does it mean should I read audit subject every day, every week? No need. The student asks me a doubt, I know how to retrieve that information from my brain. It is stored in my brain. But I never question, do I remember entire audit? I never question this. If some student asks me, I honestly tell no. But you ask me a question, I'll answer. I have confidence because I prepared well. I remember that provision. I know I remembered everything. If I question, do you remember? Obviously, I'll fail. If you ask me a question, I can answer. You are just a few days away from exam. Stop thinking all these negative aspects. Even if at all you get this thought, believe me, whatever I'm telling in this video, if at all you have worked in the past 1.5, 2, 3 months, whatever, maybe if at all single group candidate 1.5, 2 months, if at all both groups candidate 3.5, 4 months, if at all you sincerely worked in the past 1.5, 2, 3, 4 months, whatever, believe me, you will definitely do well. If at all you have not studied well, last minute in the past 1 month, somehow you came and risked and studied so much, I may not be sure about your result. But still, if at all you worked really well, if at all you really put up the efforts, if at all you learned really, process has been correctly implemented, no need to doubt your ability. You will definitely do well. You will definitely perform well. You need not question about your ability to perform in exams. You need not worry about your result, all that. You will definitely perform well. And again, there is another category of students who think that suddenly his friend is losing confidence. His friend is postponing his attempt. Maybe in your case, your friend might be telling you, hey Macha, I'm postponing my attempt. I'm not confident. It will also tempt you. Generally, whenever a person close by, whenever he is doing something, generally we also be tempted to do that. If at all he is postponing his attempt, you also feel like I'm also having a company, okay, let me also postpone attempt and try for rank in the next attempt, which is again a wrong process. If at all, say, look at what are the factors that affected him to take a decision like that. Look at his factors and look at your factors. If at all you have studied sincerely in the past few months, if at all you are sincere to the process, you executed the entire process, and almost you made up your mind ready for the exam, and at this last moment, if at all you are getting a thought like, can I do well, I'm unable to recollect everything, then need not worry. You go and attempt, you will definitely write well. Don't let your brain affected by others' decisions. Getting it? Others' rules and regulations, whatever their difficulties, don't apply to yourself. I think there is something called satiation, like something called don't apply others' feeling to yourself. Don't get satiated that others' failure is your failure, others' success is your success. Don't get influenced by others' thoughts. You just look at your past. Whatever the work you did. Definitely, if at all you ask me, sir, are you ready to answer any question in audit? For a moment, I'll think, yeah, I have read entire subject. Yeah, I'm having decent grip. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Now let us start. This is what the confidence I have. Why? Because here it is only a question and answer session. If a student comes and asks me a question and answer session on audit, I'll just think a moment. Yeah, I'm ready. Why? Because I have trust in my process. The process which I followed for learning is, I'm having trust in that. That's it. You also please trust the process in which you learned. Don't question about your exams. Don't question about your remembering power, memory power, all that. Your memory, your mind, your brain has the ability to retrieve the information in a right way at the right time. Your brain has that gift. Just every human brain has that gift. Okay? So don't lose confidence. Be confident. If at all you're getting any negative thought like that, just think about this. You will feel confident. Okay? All the very best. Have a nice time.